Welcome back. Let's do question 2 of this activity. We've done something similar to this. It says James starts saving for a deposit of a car. He wants to save 100,000. Then James pays 4,000 every month to a savings account that offers 8.5% per annum compounded monthly. How long will it take James to raise 100,000 rands? Right, give your answer to the nearest a year. Right, we're finding n here. We're finding n, which is the number of payments, and then after that we can find the number of years. Okay, so the payments are done monthly. So to find the number of years from payments, we can divide by 12, then that will give us the number of years. This is savings, so saving for the future. So we're going to use the future value formula. And then our future value, we have it is 100,000, and then our x is 4,000, and then our interest rate is 8.5% per annum compounded monthly. We have to divide by 12, and then we're looking for n. So let's substitute what we have. So it's 100,000 is equal to 4,000, that's the x there, and then 1 plus 0.085 over 12, since it's compounded monthly, and then to the power n minus 1, like this, all this over 0.085 over 12, right? And then we said I prefer multiplying this with this, right? First, we can do things different here, but let's multiply 100,000 times 0.085 divided by 12. What do we get? We'll get 708,33333 goes on like recurring like that, is equal to 4,000, right? And then 1 plus 0.085 over 12, right, to the power n minus 1, like that. Okay, right. And then we can divide by 4,000 on both sides of the equation. Divide by 4,000 on both sides of the equation. What do we get? We get 0.177083333 is equal to, right, we can simplify this. 1 plus 0.085 over 12, that will be 2,417 over 2,400. Just leave it as a fraction like that, and then minus 1 like that. And then we can add 1 on both sides of the equation. What do we get? We're getting 1,177083333 like that is equal to 2,417 over 2,400 to the power n. Then what do we do after that? We can change from exponential form to logarithmic form. I remember when you're changing from exponential form to logarithmic form, the exponent becomes the subject, and then this is the base. Okay, so it becomes n is equal to log, then the base 2,417 over 2,400, and then the number here 1,177083333. Put the number like that, and then you can get your n is equal to 23,09878301. Then divide by 12. We get that number of years is 1,92 years. Then round it off to the nearest year. This is approximately 2 years. Okay, right. Remember, say this. Let's say you don't have this function in your calculator. You don't have this function. You can say n is equal to log, then this log this becomes a numerator, log 1,177083333 like that, over log 2417 over 2,400 like this. Then you get your answer, which is this.